So to make croque monsieur, you need some bechamel that I made this morning, which is butter, flour, Swiss, a little bit of touch of nutmeg. Turns into a paste. You spread some. Then you take your ham. Okay, imported ham from France. Jambon de Paris. Then you add some more of the bechamel. This is Swiss cheese that we ground in-house. Then what we do is cover it with the top, seal it. It has to be nice sealed. When it's all sealed, add smear of that. You spread it with some Swiss. I went this morning to get eggs. It went from $45 a case to $157 a case. It's ridiculous. So we use 6 cases a week to do the quiches, to do all that. And we can make, I'm gonna make quick second one. This is really a new take on the croque. Usually it's made with either 7-grain bread or white bread and layered the same way. But I started just here in Wayne. The one in Ardmore still does it the classic way. I'm just curious how would people react to it. Can I change the presentation? Do an egg wash. Get everywhere. I think this one tastes a little bit better than the classic one. Always be generous with cheese. And we can do we're going to heat up the oven. Ready? We're going to plate. And then we're going to do the egg. No. Voila. Yes, sir.